Hey, it's Dr. Linda Davis, and today I want to walk through how to add a video to your PowerPoint presentation so that it will play within the actual PowerPoint slide. So I have a PowerPoint up here, and I'm going to add a video into the videos, what I consider the video slide. So I'm going to go to Insert in PowerPoint, and I'm going to go over to Video. And when you click on the toolbar for video, you get two choices. You can select online video, or you can select video on my PC. That means that you've already got a video downloaded to your PC, and you will navigate directly to that. Most people, however, pull from YouTube mostly for their video inserts. So I'm going to go select online video instead, and I wanted to show you the steps for that. You have two choices once you click here. You can just kind of search YouTube in general for that specific video. If you already have the video up, you can find the video embed code that's on the YouTube page of that video, and that's the route I was going to take today. And I'll just launch, and in my search box, since I'm doing this, I put in EcoFlow 1 powers all. That's just kind of the corporate video that EcoFlow put out for one of their generators, and it pops right up here. And so let me click on that video, and I don't want to get into playing it obviously because of copyright situations, but I just want to show you where the embed code, where are you going to go to find that. So go to Share. It's right underneath the video, and you have lots of different ways to share this particular video, but you can go to the embed code, and that just gives you a bunch of code, and you just want to copy it. So I would just do click in there and just hit Control C to copy, and then it's rather long code, so don't be surprised by that. And I can exit out of that. Now I can go back to my PowerPoint, and it says from an embed code, I can paste the embed code here. So I'm going to paste it, Control V, or right click and paste, but Control V as in Victor is what I always do. Now that large amount of code is pasted in here, even though you're just seeing a very small portion of it, and you can then click on the arrow that allows the insertion to happen. So click on the arrow, and you have to wait a few minutes for it to populate onto the PowerPoint slide. Here it comes, and it may not be exactly where you want it to be, and it may not be as large or as small as you want it to be, but you just need to position it, and you can just make it a bit bigger. Obviously it's a video, you want it to take up a good portion of the screen. And there it goes. Now you won't see the video just yet until you hit launch for the PowerPoint. And also while you're in there, if you activate it, you can do other things to it. You can put a frame around it. Let me pick a frame, and you can choose or a specific color for the video border. You can also assign you have video tools and playback options here. And you can't trim it when you're just sharing it with the embed code. You can trim the video if you did happen to have one that you've downloaded to your computer, but not this particular way. Alright, so let's launch, and I'll play just a little bit of it. Let me go into our launch mode for the PowerPoint. And when you're ready, you can just hit the play button, and it plays from within your PowerPoint slide. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.